So here's the conclusion for topic 1. So what is purchasing and supply management? Well, as you've probably gained so far from these videos and reading the text, purchasing is a huge part of a company. But a lot of companies do not realize how critically important it is to their strategic mission. Every dollar saved is a dollar straight to their bottom line, which is a dollar that they could use towards another part of their strategy. However, it's up to you and your colleagues to get them to understand that and show them the numbers. But we have a competitive environment today. Competition is increasing and it will continue to increase. With e-commerce growing stronger and stronger, how is your company going to differentiate itself from your competitors? So the markets, we have both the resource chasers and the consumers. They're increasing globally. So the political boundaries that we know of as, the country's borders or whatnot are almost going away when it comes to markets. It's almost just as easy as to get something from Germany as it is to get something from the next town over. A phone call, an email, a fax, a purchase order, all this kind of stuff is done over electronically nowadays. So it's so simple. And change is happening faster as new technologies enter the markets. And new rivals are entering our markets also. We have competitors that are coming out. So how are you going to differentiate yourself in these new technologies? Is it worth adopting a new technology? Is it going to benefit and add value to your company and to your customers? Don't just adopt a technology just because it's the hot new technology. Make sure that people know what it is. They get training if you do adopt it. That way it isn't such a hindrance when you do adopt it. And your customers are more empowered because they have so much more information nowadays. They can pull up their phone. They can see what the price is on Amazon. They can check out Walmart, Target, Best Buy. They can look everywhere. If they want to see a review on a product, they can do that. If they want to go on YouTube and watch somebody actually use the product and review it, they can. There's so much information available. So you want to be able to capture your customers and empower them by giving them the information, the correct information about your products. So with all of this, risk has increased since we've gone global. Getting that product from Germany is maybe not as difficult as getting that product from China. But both will probably require some type of use of sea freight or air freight. Well, are you willing to pay for that? Are you willing to wait for a delayed flight or a ship that might be stuck at a port? Your container got delivered to the wrong port. All these kind of disruptions. How are you going to deal with these interruptions? Because this is threatening your supply chain, your supply lines. So you have to have backup plans, and you need to have backup plans to your backup plans. So let's look ahead. So consider how you spend your own money. Do you spend every penny strategically? Does every penny have a name, as some people like to say? Every dollar have a name? For example, if you're looking to save money so you can pay your next semester's tuition and you like coffee, is it cheaper to go and buy a can of coffee from Walmart or your favorite grocery store? Or is it better for you to go to Starbucks and buy your morning coffee there? Well, remember, A dollar saved is a dollar directly to your operating profit. So if you save that dollar on that purchase, you can put that money directly into your tuition fund. One consideration, and you can apply this to anything. You want to save up for a new car, a house, paying off student loans, whatever the situation is. You think about your purchases. How are you doing it strategically? And when you're doing that, are you doing a market analysis? Are you comparing your suppliers? If you're not, why not? Is there a reason why you won't consider one supplier? Is it a valid reason? Now, only you can figure this out to yourself. So, are you proactive and a strategic purchasing professional based on your answers? If you're not, there's nothing to worry about. You'll get there. We still have the entire semester to go. If you are there, well, we're going to hone those skills even more. So don't worry. Everybody's going to get there in the end, and I look forward to our additional topics that we're going to go over. And that way we can all become better purchasing professionals together.